So we can see that G1 is already at the uh, maximum load in the generator 2 as a standby mode. So now we will synchronize the generator 2. So to prepare the generator 2, so all this starting condition must be met first prior to start engine. So assuming this uh, portion is okay, 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 okay. So now the start order didn't split or energize. So now we'll finish now the start order. So the energize. So now it means that the digital is now ready to start. So again, I will set this as a operator. So now starting our battle. So assuming this is 25 bars. Okay, this is 7 bars. So the LT later. So then the fuel temperature is 32. The fuel temperature 41. See, the temperature is 60. The LT temperature 40. The fuel pressure is 5 bars. 5 bars. So the fuel pressure. So later, when the engine is running, it's the pressure, okay. So we'll accomplish this after the engine will run as part of the simulation. So now we'll set this to auto. Yes, local panel. So here auto. So now it's in auto mode. Now we can start the engine. Start. Starting. So considering the engine is idle run. So now as an operator, so you need to know what's the pressure if the engine is an idle run. So let's say the LT pressure is around 4 bars and HT is 5 bars. And the low boil pressure, let's say 4 bars. So now no more alarm. So the RPM, I'll say 720. The frequency 60. So now the voltage is 4.16. Voltage 4.16. Okay, the power factor is 1. So now the engines are ready to be synchronized. So to synchronize, go to the local panel of the generator 2. So synchronize into in back. Now the generator 2 is synchronizing. We can also check the command CMI. Now generator 2 is synchronizing. So now the BCB is closed. So now we can load maybe around 500. So there's no problem. So raise to 1000. So there's no problem. Raise to RAM Maximus 7,000. So now the total plant output is around 14, uh, 14,040 kilowatts. So you can see the SCADA. Now the SCADA. So generator 1 is a 7840 and the generator 2 is a 7,000. So now as we can see, both generator is now synchronized the grid and having a total power output of 14,540 kilowatts. So we can maximize the generator 2. So generator 2, the maximum load is 7840, 7840. Now, what Jinses maximize. So if we are selling a key bar, so we can also maximize the power factor. Kasi we'll set the power factor of the 0.8 to have a maximum key bar. So now the maximum key bar, the factor is so 0.8 maximize. So now this that's the total plant output is SCADA. Yes. So now we'll try to log in as a service team. So log out. So as we can see, we log out. So these are disabled. So we'll log in as a service. So now all the menus are in active mode. So as we can see, the service, which is password can be accessed, but the managed users is not accessible. So there's a difference in the admin and the service. So log out will log in as a operator. Operator. So as we can see as an operator, so the password and the user management is being hide. So the operator is limited to access the uh, that kind of menu. So operator is only limited to this menus.